What can the AUTHENTIC One do for you? Benefits workouts, helps with energy and stamina. Benefits all forms of workouts, helps with balance, focus, and more. Benefits power lifters, helps strengthen muscles, and helps reduce recovery time, and more. Helps with performance. Just point and blow. Helps to reduce stress. Just point and blow. Helps to reduce pain. Just point and, well, you get it. Pets love it too. Pets and people love it. And even pink bunnies love it. Improves sleep. Can you use more energy? Go from this to this. Helps to speed healing. May help with weight loss. Helps with hydration. Look and feel younger. It is safe for all ages. Investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and where to buy, click on the link in the description below this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you for watching.